We are out here at the Lake Mead overlook viewing point, and wow, this lake is so low. Just a nice pan I'll do here for you guys on the lookout. Gorgeous, wow. We are leaving this Lake Mead overhead view and making our way towards the Hoover Dam. I hope we are on the right road. This is so confusing right here, but it looks like we are correct and that we will be going over the dam. Okay, let's check what our signs say. Okay, so cars only, no trailers. Let's go this way. I am not sure. Security check right here. Okay. Let's turn into the scenic view and then we'll take the road further down. Man, I wanted that parking at the back by the restrooms there because there was not many people around, but someone just took it. What are you doing, mister? Let's go in here. So yeah, this down here. Oh, I love the sound of that Jake's brakes coming down the mountain pass right there. So this right here is the parking lot you guys just saw us pull into, coming into the Hoover Dam overlook, and then we hiked up the 1.5 million stairs to get to where we are right now. And now making our way up towards the lookout up here. Choose the side for crossing the bridge. Select the best new bridge side.
This is the old.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go right across it now when we, hopefully. What was it? Bridge was started in 1930 and finished in 1935.
No, the dam.
The dam, I mean the dam, yeah. So the dam was started in 1930 and completed in 1935. This is pretty cool. Welcome to Nevada, folks. We are right on the border of Arizona and Nevada right here. It's so beautiful. Let's keep going. Oh, it's windy up here. Do not drop, do not climb, no children, no animals, okay. It's pretty cool. So last time I was out here on the Hoover Dam, this was not here. So right along the freeway we have this walkway. This is pretty cool. Right here to the left, wow, the water level has dropped considerably.
Yeah, listen, I think this was down here now.
I don't know how long ago this overlook bridge was built. Oh, reaching greatness. Okay, so they started construction on this bridge in 2005 and ended in 2010. Bridge length 1905 feet, bridge width 88 feet. Roadway height above the river is 880 feet. Roadway height above the dam 280 feet. Arch spanning length 1060 feet. Dimensions of hollow arches 20 feet wide by 14 feet tall with 1.2 inch thick walls. Sorry, 1 foot 2 inches thick walls. Wow. 20 feet wide by 14 feet tall with 1 foot 2 inches thick walls. Arch rise is 270 feet. Maximum column height 287 feet. Materials concrete 30,000 cubic yards. Oh my gosh. Steel 16 million pounds of steel. Holy moly. This is called the Mike O'Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge that we are walking on right here. Bridging greatness. Pretty cool. Here we have our view of the Hoover Dam again. That is incredible how much the water levels have dropped here. What did you say that is? 60 feet that it's dropped? 70 feet?
Here?
No, the water levels
Oh.
from where you see where it used to be.
Yeah, probably close to 60.
It's so beautiful, man. Can you imagine this constructed in the 1930s? What an amazing feat of engineering right here. So just a view here of the Hoover Dam from the other side of the walkway. Absolutely amazing. This is the end of the walkway right here, and way in the distance over there is a sign that says welcome to Arizona at the end of the walkway. And as you walk across this walkway to the other side is the sign you just saw earlier that said welcome to the state of Nevada. Okay, so just about to take off right here from the Hoover Dam lookout. Here we go. Yeah. Hey, you know what? Apple Maps has been a really good tour guide. Oh, so look at this, folks. Yeah. Here we go. Getting the opportunity right here to ride right over the Hoover Dam. How spectacular. How spectacular. Oh, look at this bridge right here. Insane. Wow. That's where we were just walking. Yeah, that's where we were just walking a second ago. Incredible. Look at the columns on this thing. Incredible. This is the visitor center right up ahead here. But we are gonna go right over the dam right here. Unbelievable. This was built in the 1930s. Started in 1930. End of dam completion 1935. What was that, Jude? What was that, Jude? Yeah, you can go down into the dam. You buy the tickets here at the visitor center, and then you can get a tour of the dam. It's down below all the electronics and all that stuff. So this is it, the Hoover Dam. Yeah, so like I was saying, built in the 1930s. Construction started 1930, ended in 1935. Crazy, crazy beautiful. There's the bridge. We were just walking on that bridge. $10. Oh, that's to park in the structure, I guess. For there. No, I wanna park right here on the water. Yeah, you can park in the shade. So just stopping off at one of the parking lots, like here, right here. We just came over the Hoover Dam a second ago, right here, and we're gonna try and make our way up as far as possible as we can go, up to the top right there. We'll see if we can, how far we can go. But just a view for you guys right here of the intakes right here. Of course, the Hoover Dam responsible for a lot of the electricity for this area right here. Let me just make sure my camera looks a bit crooked. There we go, I think that's better. So that's where this takes place right here. Absolutely incredible to think that almost 100 years ago they had the ability to do this. Unbelievable.
Those are the two spillways.
I wish I had more knowledge about this dam, but I don't. I just wanted to come see what it looked like out here. So this is one of the spillways right here. Incredible, the size.
Did they get mad at us if we went down?
You want to try it? So once the dam gets full enough, the water fills in this area and then flows over.
And look how big that hole is.
Yeah, that is huge. So just in this parking lot, we just stopped at here for a second, just showing you guys this beautiful view of Lake Mead right here. Really gorgeous, sitting between the mountains right here. Absolutely beautiful. All right, back on our motorcycles we get, and then final stop, Las Vegas. See you guys. Thank you for watching us on our trip. Please like, please subscribe. DJ on a wing right here.